Welcome back to my channel. It's Ma'am Sky. You're ready for back to school. This color, this and that TBD set. Watercolor. This is the matching one. Like, oh, matchy. And the notes in the journal. This is good for, I always have this in my car to put all my kids' drink. You need the notebooks. How many pieces? Monthly planner. I don't know if I need it. I think I need it, but I don't need it, but I think I need it. Pencil pouches. The Wish, the Princess, and the Spider-Man. Oh, so hard to get it. Look how pretty it is. Ah. And that one, this. No app required, USB powered. I think it's just like Alexa something. Like so many pens, look at that. Empties. And the other one, a pen. They're cute. Keychain. The bed. Transparent sticky note. Do I need it? And different colors. Oh, it's stackable. This. There's so many. You are amazing. This is cute. Do I need it? Pencil pouch. Flexible ruler. Oh, a band. You know, sometimes you have to get it because if not, like there's notepad. New week, new you. And there's another one, weekly planner. And a pencil case. Oh, and there are two. Double pencil case. It comes with this color. Pencil case. Highlighter. color changing ball. And I still have one. Oh, the highlighter. Oh, they have Pony pencil, Care Bears, and a Pony, a Transformer, and then the Barbie and the Hot Wheels. So many cute guys. Oh, pencil. They have the complete one. Oh god. There are also the lunch kit in the bag. You can customize and put a sticker on it. Like printed notebooks. The daily chores, the weekly chores. Comes with different color and also a pencil case. Different. It's so cool. They have trays and rides. Many. And a lot of pencil case. Our Jurassic one. See? Oh, it's just plain inside. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's Ma'am Sky. See you in my next videos. Bye!